Lee is the real deal because, again, he doesn't try to sell you and he show you his business from the inside. How many people actually you go or mentor or gurus tell you, come to my office, let me show you what I do, let me show you the steps, and let me show you why I'm successful. You take it or not, now it's in your hand. That's how I see it on myself. I think the possibility I can create for my business is definitely grow. That's why I come here. It's making me feel like I need to do it differently, maybe restructure, and like Lee says, one of the keys that I took from it, analyze, which most of the people didn't do, and I don't do as well, because you don't have time, you don't want to do it, you don't like to look at numbers all day, like I said, but it makes me feel you need to do this stuff or you won't be successful. So this is something, even one that I already took, that if I'm not going to do, I'm not going to be successful as I want. I'm already doing deals, and that's what I like about this group, so you can always learn more. Because you think you're doing good, and then you said, wow, these guys are younger, and they're making 10 times than me. It makes you motivated, and then you see Lee and tell you how he started. So he started like you, but he did something different. So he's apparently did something different and I don't do, and it's the small details that makes you feel that you need to do the small details in order to be successful. And again, the foundation, like he mentioned Lee all the time.